Hello friends, my name is Sonali Mishra. I am from BBA second semester. My topic is introductions. Introduction to creating web page using HTML. Introduction to HTML. HTML tags and attributes, headings, paragraph and images. Process to work with HTML. What is web page? A web page, also written as web page, is a specific collection of information provided by a website and displayed to a user in a web browser. A website typically consists of many web pages linked together in a coherent fashion. The name web page is a metaphor of paper pages bound together into a book. Some examples are Google's create an account. जैसे एफ बी अगर बनाना होगा तो फेसबुक के लिए आपको अपना नेम और सर नेम, मोबाइल नंबर डालने तो डालो, वैसे मोबाइल नंबर मत ही डालना, उसमें ईमेल आना कि कोई भी मोबाइल नंबर ले सकता है, और पासवर्ड और बर्थ का और साइन अप. और इंट्रोडक्शन टू वेब पेज डिजाइनिंग. A web page includes different data and information based on titles, headings and paragraph, images, audios and videos, schedule of events, search forms, signs and login forms, etc. Introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, the language for building web pages. Describe the structure of web pages using markup language. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. Some of the examples of HTML tags are HTML or hyphen HTML, head, hyphen head, title, hyphen title, body, hyphen title, h1, hyphen h1, p, hyphen p, v, hyphen v, u, hyphen u, I, hyphen I, etc. HTML tags. HTML tags are enclosed in the symbol. It has two pairs, an opening tag example HTML bracket and a closing tag example HTML bracket. A closing tag is followed by symbols. The HTML element defines the whole document. It has a start tag HTML and the end tag hyphen bracket HTML. Bracket HTML bracket head bracket title welcome to India hyphen title bracket hyphen head hyphen body h1 bracket instruction hyphen h1 bracket p bracket b India bracket hyphen b is a beautiful contains South Asia hyphen p hyphen boy hyphen HTML. Explanation of HTML tags. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains title of document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body elements contains the visible page content. The h1 elements define the large heading. The p elements defines a paragraph. The b elements define the bold of text. HTML attributes. An HTML element can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name hyphen value pair like names is equal to comma value. Examples bracket body bg color green hyphen changes the background of web page to green color hyphen h1 aligns is equal to comma center brackets. HTML heading. Headings are important in HTML documents. They are the title of HTML pages. Headings are defined with the bracket h1 to bracket h1 h6 tags. h1 is the largest heading text while h6 is the smallest heading text. bracket h1 heading should be used for main headings followed by bracket h2 headings, then the least important bracket h3 and so on. This is h1 heading text, this is h2 heading text, this is h3 heading text, this is h4 heading text, this is h5 heading text, this is h6 heading text. HTML paragraphs. The HTML bracket p elements defines a paragraph. We define bracket p text which attribute and value to change the properties of the paragraph. For instance, bracket p aligns the left bracket for a left element of paragraph, bracket p central elements of the text, bracket p right elements of the text, bracket for justify elements of paragraph, elements of paragraph. HTML images. In HTML, images are defined with the bracket tag. The images tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have a closing text. These are attributes specifies the URL, web address of these images. Bracket image asterisk, comma pics mountains jpg, comma health is equal to mountain view width, comma 340px height is equal to 228px. For instance, HTML bracket body bracket h2 spectacular mountain bracket hyphen h2 images bracket mountain peak jpg health mountain view width 500 px height 334 px bracket hyphen body bracket hyphen HTML images. Use the HTML bracket images element to define the images. Use the HTML src attribute to define the URL of the images. Use the HTML alt attribute to define the alternate text of any foreign images if it cannot be displayed. Use the HTML width and height attributes to define the size of the image. Thank you.